here in Madagascar, and we're seeing the distribution of faithful biblical teaching to the nations. It reminds us of our calling to be able to proclaim God's holiness to as many people as possible. That's why I'm so excited to be able to announce here the opening of the R.C. Sproul Library. This will be available in our app, and it will now be freely available for everyone. This is hundreds of hours of biblical and theological teaching from Dr. Sproul, all the classic series, Dust to Glory, The Consequences of Ideas, and so many more that people have relied upon for decades now freely available. We're seeing so many people finding good teaching online, and so we want to make this available. And so thank you also to our ministry partners and those who faithfully pray for this ministry. It's because of your support that we're able to take this next step. If you know a friend or a family member who could grow in the knowledge of God's Word through the faithful teaching coming from Ligonier, share with them this new app.